morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to be playing with some iGel Beauty Blooming Effect Gel. I'm new to this. I played with it for a little bit for the last couple days. I'm really digging it. So I thought I would do a few demos, playing around. You know, I'm going to do the rose and a couple other things and try to do some lightning. Before I do that, I want to direct you to two girls who are trying to get their 1,000 subscribers and become monetized. Hillbilly Nails and Makeup and Mary Bell. Oh God, she's going to kill me for this one. Mary Bell's Makeup and More. I will leave the links in the description box so you can go subscribe, check them out, maybe even put them on play if you've got an extra device. So please go do that. Go check out my giveaways that I've got going on my channel. Go look for those videos. I will also link those in the description box. Those will be in the beginning, along with Leslie and Mary's links to their videos. Let's see, what are we going to do? What should we do? What should we do? I want to do... I want to do the lightning first, I think. Now, with this, I was putting, when I first started playing with it, I was putting, like, you know, I was doing top coat. And you can't do it. You need a very thin layer. Because you don't want your stuff, you don't want your products that you're putting on to slide all over the nail and bloom too much. Or you're not going to be able to finish. So do that. Okay, this, I am going to be using Aqualicious by Nail Reserve. I have a link for that down in the description box with the discount code. You want to wipe a lot of your product off your brush. I've seen this on nails. Is there any more product than this? And let's see what this does. It's supposed to do like lightning, but I don't think that's going to turn out quite right. Wish I could help it along. I don't know if that's wrong. Drawing it, maybe? I don't know. I don't know if that's wrong. But we're going to let that sit for just a minute. Let it do its thing. Let's see, what should we do next? I think I want to do the rose on this beautiful, beautiful purple. This was from Princess Nails Diana's line. God, I missed her. I don't know if she ever watches anymore. I doubt it. She's moved on and has another life now. She's greatly missed. Greatly missed. What am I doing? The rose. Attempting the rose. Get my palette over here. Now, forgive me for me and my freehand. We are not the best. I've never, before this, I've never done the rose before. Or anything like this, so it's new to me. I don't think I put enough maybe gel on here, I don't know. The blooming out, it's kind of going slow, and when I did these in practice, whoops, went a lot faster than this. Oh, I gotta stick my blue in the lamp. Here's our lightning, our attempt of I'm going to put this in the lamp. I'm going to put it in for 30. Look at these roses. Look how they thickened up. I'm going to stick those in there as well. Alright, alright, alright. What should we do now? What should we do? What should we do? I'm going to do a marble, I believe. I do like the way those look. Let me get me this nail. I'm going to get me some paint. Some white. Gotta have your white, right? Where's my purple go? This is the purple I was telling you about. This is just stunning. I hate using it. I just love it. I should contact her. I do talk to her every once in a blue moon on Messenger. She was doing well. She's just not, unfortunately, doing nails really anymore. Get your dotting tool. You did not drop it. I'm going to get my ombre brush. So you can see this, the tips, they are not all the same length. I'm going to take the small end and wispy. Just draw through it however you'd like. Shoot. Would you just really fast? Pick up, pick up, pick up. Sorry, I'm not trying to be annoying. I don't think I did very good on the purple. So there we have that. Whoops. This is our marbling. I wish I could stand here and hold it so you could see it change and bloom and blossom, as they call it. These are really cool. I'm going to leave those two off to the side that I first did because I want to top coat those. But I think this is really super cool. I'm loving this stuff. I really am. Give that a 60 because it's a little bit thicker on the nail, being a marble. I clean my ombre brush. Swipe it back and forth. I'll clean it properly afterwards. Alright, alright, alright. What else should we do? Damn this. Whoops, this is very full. This is also by Nail Reserve. This is Bliss Pink. Beautiful, beautiful color, as you see. Get some of my blue striping gel from Beetles. I'm going to dab some of that on my palette. I'm going to get a flat brush. I haven't used my pink nails at all. What should we do on those? I'm just gonna go half and half on here. and it cut into the nail. I'm not even in frame doing this nail. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're legit sit there for just a hot minute. I'm gonna wipe my brush off again. When you are wiping your brush, you should be using a lint-free surface. Kleenex. Wipe your brush back and forth, and you still can't see me. Back and forth. Back and forth. Don't just do it in one direction, because that's not cleaning your brush. You only wipe it off one direction, that's not cleaning, that's just not cleaning your brush. It ain't doing it. So I just wanted to do that. We're going to pop this one into the lamp. Look how cool that looks. Alright. Let me throw this away. The pink nails. What should we do? I think I'm going to try, Sassy. Oh, I want to give Sassy Fantasy some credit here. Gotta give credit where credit is due. I went to her because I'm not, I wasn't versed in the blooming gel, so I wanted to make sure what I was doing. So who do I go to? I go to Sassy Fantasy. I mean, it's just, come on now. So, okay, oh shoot, I'm getting my really super thin brush. I went to Sassy and I asked her, for some ideas, some tips, some tricks, where, what to do here. So she was giving me directions, some videos. So I definitely want to give her credit where credit is due. I want to thank her for that. She's always there to help me, to guide me, to teach. And we're in the nail industry, we never stop learning, do we? There's something always new trending coming out that we need to learn, and, I'm trying to learn this one. Got my brush. Let me get my dotting tool, the smallest end. I'm going to put a few dots along these. This is the crack design, I think Sassy calls it. And you can see as it's blooming, changing, thickening, spreading. Look at there. I think that looks really super cool over the pink. So I'm going to pop this one in the lamp to preserve where it's at right now. We got 2 nails left. 2 nails left. I want to do another rose nail on this one. So I'm going to get my thin brush, my blossoming gel, cover your nail. We go in with the white. Raise your finger. I think this looks really cool, I really do. I love, oh God, I'm not in frame. I'm so terribly sorry. So terribly sorry. All you do is draw on it. Draw in the polish. throw it in the polish. And there we go. We have got us some beautiful, beautiful roses that have spread out massively. So we're going to hurry and pop this in. Give that a quick cure. Alrighty, we are back. Again, we were using iGel Beauty's Blooming Effect Gel. Check that out at igelbeauty.com. I don't have a code. The code I used when I ordered was Beauty60. Don't know if that's still going to work or not. This last nail that I did didn't turn out right. It looks just like a regular marble. And it is, because I forgot to put the Blooming Effect Gel on the nail. So I was in too big of a hurry getting all excited doing this. But here are our nails that I did do. I think these turned out really pretty. Each and every one of them. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my master creations here today. Don't forget to give Sassy Fantasy props for her teaching, her instruction, and I thank you, Sassy, very much. I appreciate your help as always. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.